Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I am a professor Mr. Doi and I am making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Tenma Tenjin Hanjotei. Right next to Tenmangu Shrine, there is a place that is always full of laughter. Tenma Tenjin Hanjotei is a small theater for Kamigata Rakugo, which is a traditional comic storytelling from the Osaka area. After the war, the small theaters around Osaka Tenmangu disappeared one by one. However, the Kamigata Rakugo Association, the local shopping street, and many citizens gave money to bring the theater back. In September 1926, after 60 years, a Rakugo theater finally returned. This is Hanjotei. The best thing about Hanjotei is that you can enjoy Rakugo every day. The afternoon show starts at 1 o'clock 13 p.m. and many storytellers from young ones to very experienced ones come on stage. You can also enjoy other shows such as manzai, comedy dolls, magic, and daikagura, a traditional juggling art. So even people who watch Rakugo for the first time will not get bored. The evening shows change every day and you can see solo performances and special events. A ticket for the afternoon show is 2,500 yen if you buy it early, or 2,800 yen on the day. Students can enter from only 1,000 yen, which is a nice point. It is also very easy to get there. The theater is about a 3-minute walk from Minami Morimachi Station on the Osaka Metro or from Osaka Tenmangu Station on the JR line. After the show, you can also visit Tenmabashi Suji Shopping Street, which is the longest shopping street in Japan, and enjoy food and shopping. Please come to Hanjotei and experience the laughter culture of Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.